Now online from Computer Talk's November-December 2023 issue. In our cover story, the best ideas for pharmacy in 2024. Take a look at the best ideas for improving pharmacy operations, meeting challenges, and making a difference in 2024. New direct access interviews. Name change puts the spotlight on outcomes. Computer Talk Publisher Bill Lockwood talks to Jude Dieterman, CEO of Outcomes, formerly known as Transaction Data Systems, who explains the company's growth through assembling technology companies and integrating their strengths into one solution, OutcomesOne. And PrimeRx puts emphasis on product thought leadership. Technology is not just a tool, but a driving force behind transformative change, according to PrimeRx CEO Ketan Mehta, who in this interview with Computer Talk's Maggie Lockwood, explains how that philosophy is behind the company's newest offerings that support pharmacies' transition to value-based care. The latest Pharmacy Forward. Why it's critical to elevate the pharmacist profession. Computer Talk's Will Lockwood speaks with Gold Enahio, Pharm.D, Director of Clinical Pharmacy Services at AmerisourceBergen, and Peter Canellis, RPH, VP of AmerisourceBergen's PSAO, Elevate Provider Network, on the important reasons why pharmacists can, and should, promote their value in the healthcare system going into 2024. And be sure to check out our latest feature and columns. AI, Here, There, and Everywhere But Pharmacies, by David Sellers CEng. In this follow-up article on clinical-grade AI, artificial intelligence, Dr. First's David Sellers explains how AI can streamline workflow, prevent errors, and save staff from tedious data entry. And The Invisible Competitive Advantage, by Bruce Neeland. Although it seems like a challenge to define the atmosphere you want your pharmacy to have, it's important to invest time and energy in creating an invisible advantage that fits your ultimate business goals and vision for your pharmacy. From our columnists, Publisher's Window, 2023, and Pharmacy. Technology Corner. Use of immersive technologies in healthcare. Viewpoints. What's to come in 2024? Catalyst Corner. NCPA Digest shows pharmacy services continue. 2 conferences covered. The 2023 NCPA Annual Convention. And the 2023 Framework LTC Users Conference. Read it all at ComputerTalk.com.